Criticism over Cincinnati Public Schools' new plan to put an earned income tax levy up to voters in November is to fix some financial issues, creating a lot of pushback now.
Statistically speaking, these are really uphill sledding. And tonight, one board member who voted against the option says the district will have to think about closing schools and other major cuts if it does fail. WLWT News 5's Daisy Kershaw live at CPS headquarters with this climb that the district is facing. Hi, Daisy.
Hi, Mike, Cherie. This is the first time the district has ever asked the public to approve this kind of levy that would tax paychecks for people living in the CPS district instead of a more standard property tax. I spoke with board member Eve Bolton, who voted against the income tax option last night. She says the outlook is bleak if a levy doesn't pass.
It could be catastrophic for us. That would mean next year we would be probably having to get rid of $66 million. We would be closing schools. Then you're starting to talk about programs, you're talking about schools, you're talking about transportation.
Eve Bolton is one of two board members that voted no on an earned income tax levy option at Monday's special meeting.
This is just the wrong time and the wrong option.
Board President Brandon Craig voted yes.
Well, I think we recognize that no matter what option we did, and it was going to be difficult for some folks.
The backlash from Monday's vote could mean the district goes back to the drawing board with a different levy option before next week's deadline.
We've had tremendous reaction from the city and from our other villages and townships and municipalities who said nobody reached out to us about increasing the taxes on our citizens.
Two other property tax options were on the table. Critics claim more Cincinnatians are renters and many who are homeowners are on fixed incomes. Bolton argues homeowners benefit from a strong school district and worries about voter confusion over an earned income tax.
I think it's too much of an ask, 200 years doing one thing, and then in 100 days tell the population this is new and different. Our kids that are flipping burgers or being, helping with landscaping with some company, our kids will be paying taxes.
I am told that the board could end up putting this back on the agenda for Monday's upcoming meeting, that they would be choosing a property tax option instead of this earned income tax. Right now, none of that is decided. They have until Tuesday, August 4th at 4 p.m. to file some kind of a levy in order to get that on the November ballot. Reporting live tonight from CPS headquarters, Daisy Kershaw, WLWT News 5.
All right, Daisy, thanks for the